One of the biggest ways to help homeowners save energy is to start by weather coating literally the biggest part of their home. In most homes, the exterior walls of the home have the greatest amount of square footage exposed to the elements. To keep cold, heat, and moisture from entering a home, the Fairfield team wraps the entire exterior of the home with a state-of-the-art membrane or Housewrap. Think of Housewrap as high-performance athletic wear for the home. Like athletic wear, Fairfield's Housewrap is weather and wind resistant, preventing rain from entering the home while allowing water vapor to pass through. This prevents moisture from accumulating, which keeps mold and rot from occurring inside the walls of your home. That keeps your home safer and more comfortable, and that means a happier family all year long.